Hello friends, welcome back to another video of miniature diecast. So today meet the most iconic muscle car from the Fast and Furious, Dom's 70s DodgeCharger in this fun Hotwheels Tooned version. So you can see Fast and Furious badging is over here and look at the car. It's super cool and crazy. You can see the crazy amount of details over here. So let's look at the back of the package. Okay, so this one is from 2024 and it's a Tooned car, and this one is a 1 out of 5. So let's unbox. Look at the car. It's really cute and you can see some crazy amount of details over here. So let's start from the body. So the color is metallic silver or grey. Yes, either metallic silver or grey. You can let me in the comment what do you think. It's a really nice and cute car in this Tooned version. Okay, so let's start from the front. So you can see in the front completely chromed engine grill and headlight details. Yeah, and from the side profile we can see the RT logo is over here, and we can see door handles. So back of the car we can see there is not much details of tail lights, only chrome finished. Yeah, so back of the car we can see a black stripe like this. It's looking really cute. And over here we can see the fuel cap. Yes, and in the hood we can see the massive chrome supercharged V8 sticking out of the hood, which is looking really good. And we can see engine vents over there. It is looking really nice. So let's talk about the interior. We can see all chromed out white, and it's a left hand drive. You can see the steering wheel over here, and the windows are light smoke tinted. Now let's talk about the wheels. So we can see one wheel is the front one is small and the rear one is large, so it can be like this. So I can see completely black 5 rims wheels and this chromed finish also. So back of the car you can see 70s DodgeCharger and Hotwheels logos over there, and in front we can see some little amount of details, and here we can see dual exhaust. Okay, so let's do a roll test. Yeah, it is rolling nice. So the fun fact about this car is the 70s DodgeCharger is one of the most iconic American muscle car, made famous by Dom Toretto, or you can say Vin Diesel, in the Fast and Furious movies. So I really like this car. So that's all, the Tooned 70s version DodgeCharger, small in size but full of Fast and Furious power. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Miniature Diecast for more awesome car collection like this. Take care, bye bye.